for this is, we have already made the square ready. Just fold it, just take this, okay, like this, and fold it like this diagonally, okay, so that you get the shape as a triangle. So fold each paper into like this is the very first step, okay. After your square is ready, you have triangle kind of a shape. Proper triangle will come because it is a square. As I am doing, you can also start folding, okay? You can also start folding. See. Okay, so I have folded all the papers. So we have total how many triangle? There should be 6 triangle altogether. Of each color, 2 triangle. Am I correct? All of you are having the same triangle as I am having? Okay, so now see. Take a scissor and cut it into 2 equal triangle. So we'll be having 4 triangles of each color. Cut it nicely and properly, okay, so that you will get the proper windmill. जितना अच्छे से आप कट करोगे उतना ही अच्छा फिनिशिंग आएगा आपके विंडमिल को. 10 step, okay?
And for all triangles, you have to cut
all the triangles. That's yes, correct. So that's why we'll be getting 4 triangle of one color, okay? 4 of white, 4 of orange, and 4 of green color. So after cutting the square, I'm proceeding, okay? I hope everybody has completed. After cutting each square, fine, we are getting 4 like this triangular strips of white color, orange and green. Now we have to do one small task, that is we have to take your blue color sheet now, okay? Take your blue color sheet and you can use this compass if you want and make a circle with radius 1.5 centimeter and cut it. Absolutely, you can use a rounder and with a measurement of 1.5 centimeter as radius, first try to draw a circle, okay, and then cut it properly. In case kids are very small, they don't know how to use rounder, then take something like this, or you can take coin of 2 rupees, okay, and then put it and make a circle. Even that will do. Whichever way you're doing, it's perfect, but get the nice result. That is important. The compass, see, I'm taking measurement 1.5 in compass, okay, and after taking measurement, okay, you require 2 such circles, okay, not 1. So make 2 such circles ready. One we have to stick at the top of the windmill and other we have to stick at the back. So see, I have drawn circles like this and now I have to cut it diligently.
Ma'am?
Yes. So I got my circles like this and I'll keeping it like this.
Ma'am, like this.
So after cutting like this circle, fine. What I'll do, I'll try to assemble the triangle in such a way that you get like this shape, okay? We have to assemble it. It is very easy. First try to understand. I'm taking white color paper, okay? You can take any. You can take this triangle or the orange one. I'm taking white as of now, okay? What I'll do, glue and see where I'm sticking. I'm sticking it over here, very little. Don't put it much. Very little I'm putting, just at the edge over here, okay? And here you can see the center. If this is my center, try to understand, okay? First try to understand. Can you see? I made a hole like this. So what I'll do, I'll touch that center and I'll put it like this. ठीक है? This is how I'm going to repeat it. Now what I'll do, if I take this as a center, if I fold over here, then this is the center, okay? Over here. Fine, this becomes the center, okay? Little easier, it's better to fold it in from the middle like this. ठीक है? Do it to all your triangles. Once your assembling is done, 90% of your work is done. And it's very easy. Don't worry, just follow my instructions and everybody is going to get a very nice, wonderful windmill. So once we have folded each and every triangle like this from middle, okay, I have taken one white, okay. See, this is the middle point. If I fold it like this, it is the middle point over here. And here it was the middle circle over. The circle ka middle point was here. So touching the middle point, I just stick the first one strip of white over here like this. Have a look. But it is not completely stuck. Huh? See, just a dot, little dot I have put over here and I have tried to stick it. So use very minimum gum. Don't put it everything over here and then stick it. No, it is not required. One more thing, don't put glue over here. That is also not required. Okay. Now see. So one strip of white, then you can take orange or you can take blue. Again to the orange, what I'll do, I'll put only to this point, very little gum, very little glue, so that it just gets stuck. And how you have to do it, see, this is the half. So aligning this half like this and point over here, I'm sticking it like this. Try to understand what teacher did, what I did first.
You added glue to the point.
To this point, exactly to this point, little bit on the paper, and I took the half over here, the middle line on this triangle, and I stick it exactly touching the center of the circle. Now the next other color, I have taken the one more color. It is not that white के side में आपको white ही लेना है. You can take orange or you can take green, anything. And to this line, my this side will go. My this side will be aligned to this line like this. And again, this point will touch over here at the center. So it will be like this. Can you see? Try to understand. And I am going to repeat it one by one. Now if I take green, again, now can you see the middle part of the orange? So this part will align over here. So it will get stick like this. And again I'll put glue, little bit of glue over here only. See, I put the glue and I'll stick it like this. So are you understanding? And we have to repeat this like this. पूरा repeat करते हुए जाना है. Have you all understood the pre?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. फर्स्ट पेज, फर्स्ट स्ट्रिप जो आप डाल रहे हो, एंड सबको मैंने सेंटर अलाइन किया है यहाँ पे. सो द साइड ऑफ द अदर ट्राइंगल विल टच द मिडल ऑफ द फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल, and then that process will continue. Now it is orange ka middle is been aligned by the side of the green. Like this you have to keep. कर सकते हो. I will stop. Okay. So in this way repeat the same steps. So as I have taken white, orange, green, now I will again repeat with white. Again I'll put very less gum over here. And it will again, the green का जो half है, that will align to this side of white color. So it will be something like this. After white, I have taken orange over here. So I'll take a orange sheet now. Again, I'll put a glue over here. And to the middle of white, now I have to align the side of orange. So this becomes like this. After orange, I have taken green. So after this, here it comes the green. See, if you do logically now, everything will fit properly. It's not a rocket science, don't worry. You just need to understand the basics, how the arrangement has to be. Okay, after green, now which color should I take? Tell me. क्या लेना चाहिए मुझे?
White.
Very good, bingo, very good, very good. So we have to take white color. So again I'll put the glue over here. So green के middle में, this side of white will go. It will become like this. And which color now? Tell me. After white.
Orange.
Very good, bingo. Yes, orange. सब लोग होशियार है मेरे बच्चे. Very good. Okay. Now see, I'll put now the middle part of the white, and it will be orange over here. So now there is a twist. See, अब ये orange और ये orange एक ही इसमें आ गया ना, but these were like this. So what you have to do at the end, don't get panic. ये जो नीचे वाला है ना, this white, this has to come up.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, wait.
First see. मेरे साथ नहीं करना, मैंने पहले ही बोला है. Don't do with me. Try to understand. Then only you will be able to do it properly. See, it was like this. Again I'll show. देखो, आराम से देखो. And why I said to put little bit of gum, because while adjusting this, अगर आपने पूरा इसको stuck कर दिया तो आप कैसे adjust करोगे? So इसलिए मैंने starting से ही very little gum मैंने use किया है. ठीक है? That is the logic of using very less glue. Now see, can you see? It will become एक point में जाके ऐसा होगा. ठीक है? It is also quite possible that यहाँ आपका green color का strip है and here you are getting green. Don't get panic. It is absolutely fine. ठीक है? Now see, I'm taking this white. जो the strip of white color which is below the orange over here, I'm not touching this white. I'm touching the other white. Okay? And I'm taking it up. And I'm taking this orange down. थोड़ा सा आपको एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. And see your yes. So देखो ऐसे दिखेगा. Are you getting how I'm getting it over here?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm stopping myself. And everybody take your time. I will give 5 minutes if required. Complete 5 minutes. But do it diligently. Colors एक साथ मिलेंगे end में जाके. Any two color, any color it can be. It can be 2 white or 2 green or 2 orange. आपने जो colors के साथ शुरू किया होगा उसके हिसाब से वैसा आएगा वो. So don't get panic. So wherever you're getting 2 colors together, now you know that is the end point, and you have to take out this strip from the bottom. नीचे के strip को आपको ऊपर करना है. To get like this effect. Just remember this much. Is it clear? Any doubt to anybody?
Yes.
Assembling it in this way, I will put, see, can you see? This strips over here. So I'll put little gum over here and I'll take it like this and I'll stick it over here. Hold it for some time so that it gets stick properly. थोड़ा सा आपको glue अच्छे से लगाना पड़ेगा. पॉइंट्स को लाके आपको अच्छे से स्टिक करना है one by one. होल्ड इट प्रॉपरली कि वो अच्छे से स्टिक भी हो जाए. ओके, निकलना नहीं चाहिए. ऑल द स्ट्रिप्स मीन्स जो ऊपर है, द अपर स्ट्रिप्स ओनली.
Ma'am, and the strips which are down.
उनके बारे में मैंने बोला ही नहीं. सो व्हाई यू गेटिंग कंफ्यूज? डोंट वरी.
Okay.
ऐसा लेना है. देखो ऐसे ये दिखेगा, कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. वो मिडिल में जब आप ले लोगे, आइदर यू कैन स्टिक one by one और यू कैन जस्ट होल्ड देम लाइक दिस. ये भी प्रोसेस सही है. वो अच्छे से, एंड देन आई एम टेकिंग इट इन दिस वे. स्लोली लेना. ठीक है? अच्छे से चिपकना चाहिए. इफ यू सी द ट्राइंगल, जो स्ट्रिप अभी एक बच्ची ने पूछा पीछे वाले का क्या करना है, तो वो देखो उसको आराम से शेप मिल रहा है. सो यू हैव टू डू नथिंग टू दो स्ट्रिप्स, दैट विल बी लाइक दैट ओनली.
हाँ मैम, अभी हो रहा है.
किया एंड मैंने ग्लू लगाया था, मैंने ग्लू लगाया, देखो ये ऐसा दिखेगा. इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. यस बेटा.
मैम,
या
मैं
once we are done this, we are almost completed the 90% of our windmill. Now we have to stick this, okay, over here like this. But before that I want to put a chakra over here. The wheel part should come over here. Try to understand, this is a dark blue, very dark navy blue that I have used over here, and today I am using this. So why not white? Because white and this blue will not give that prominency which has been seen over here. यहाँ पे the blue was very dark, so white was looking very nice. So today what I'll do a small change, variation. I'll just take a blue color sketch pen, or you can take violet color sketch pen. ठीक है, दोनों में से कोई भी आप ले सकते हैं. And just see what I'm doing.
मैम, माय सर्कल्स आर डार्क ब्लू.
कोई भी डार्क ब्लू, मेरा लाइट है इसलिए मैं इस लाइट से कर रही हूँ. अगर आपके पास बहुत डार्क है, यू कैन टेक वाइट पेन, एक आता है, आप उससे भी कर सकते हो. बट चक्र नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा. यू कैन डायरेक्टली जस्ट पुट इट लाइक दिस. आप ऐसा भी स्टिक करेंगे तो भी आपका विंडमिल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. इट इज़ नॉट इनकम्प्लीट, बट टू गिव अ लिटिल मोर इफेक्ट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू. सबको करना ही है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन ओमिट दिस पार्ट इफ यू वांट, but today I'm just showing you how to do it. In case you want to do it, you can do it. See,
I have white paint.
see, I'm doing it in this way. First I'm doing it a border to my blue color ka circle. You can use dark blue pencil also. I mean pencil, in the pencil colors का भी आप use कर सकते हो. मार्कर यूज कर सकते हो, ब्लू, विच एवर यू हैव. कुछ अलग से लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. नथिंग टू परचेज सेपरेटली. ओके, सी, आई हैव डन द बॉर्डर डार्क. कैन यू सी? एंड दिस पार्ट इज लाइट. नाउ व्हाट विल आई डू? आई ट्राई टू सी, आई ट्राई टू मेक लाइन्स लाइक दिस. दिस इज माई सेंटर. आई एम पुटिंग जस्ट वन डॉट एट द सेंटर. Dark blue sketch pen. First I did a border surrounding my circle, and now with the help of scale I'll make a vertical line like this, which is going from the center, and an horizontal line like this. Okay, can you see? Vertical line like this and a horizontal line like this. And then from the middle of each, can you see there are 1 2 3 4 sectors that has been developed over here. So from each angle I'll try to take a line like this. Okay, so from between this two and this two I took a line over here. Similarly I'll draw another line over here. Can you see? So that you get equal divisions. And now without the help of scale, I can directly draw lines like this. In the middle of each and every angle, I can keep on putting one line. Can you see? So it looks like this. Is it clear to everyone? Now I'm stopping myself. Those who want to draw this chakra, this kind of a wheel, just start doing it. And those who want to put it like this plane over here, then no need of doing this. It is an optional. Even if you don't do it, it is absolutely fine. Kids who are very small.
Okay, now look over here. Once we are done with the shape, and I have stick the chakra over here, right? Now the last step is we need to join these two. This will become a stand. Okay, this pencil will become a stand for our windmill, and with the help of this board pin I'm going to do the process, the last step. So watch it carefully. Just prick the center of your windmill like this. See, I pricked it and I'm getting the back side like this. So with this I'll just try to insert the eraser part. Okay, the eraser part. You need to have a pencil that has an eraser attached to the other end. And see, if you can see over here, there is a space, little space that I've kept so that this paper rotates. You need some space so that the paper will rotate. And tan-ta-da! Our windmill is ready. Hope my video will help you to make such wonderful windmill easily. Thank you for watching this video. I also have my online sessions. If anybody is interested, may join my sessions too.